If you're budgeting just for the purchase price when you buy a property, you may be in for a surprise because it's not just about the down payment and closing costs. There's a lot of fees that you have to take into consideration. The lender fees, the title insurance, attorney's fees, all these can run thousands of dollars. And that doesn't end because now there's the inspection, there's appraisal fees, there's moving expenses. There could be inspection items that you may be responsible for if the seller doesn't want to repair it or give you a credit for them. And then of course, let's not forget ongoing costs, property taxes, which only go up, homeowner's insurance. If you have an HOA, it's the monthly HOA costs. And then there's maintenance. So these hidden expenses aren't really hidden, but they're just things that buyers don't really think of and they can get caught off guard. So knowing your full budget up front can help you shop for homes confidently, avoid financial stress even after you move in, and make sure that you have everything buttoned up properly when you close. So if you want to be able to do this properly and have no surprises, DM me the word home buyer costs and I'll send you a home buyer cost checklist, or you can send me the word complete 2025.